So something else I wanted to go over then was measuring the length of the wallpaper. So the walls we used by way of example, we need a 96-inch length, which gives us a good couple of inches at the top and at the bottom, you know, to make sure we've got a little bit to play with. So 96 inches. Now I normally work in metric, but it just makes it easy using it in inches. There's less to compute, easier to remember. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in the table just to recap what I did to it's an easy way basically of measuring out your paper. All you need to use is your tape once and then you're set. So the first thing I need to do then is measure the length of the table. And as we can see, the length of the table is 70 inches. Now, we need 96 inches, don't we? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure in 26 inches from the end of that table and then mark on the table where the 26 inches falls. So as we can see, 26 inches, if you can see upside down, is there. So this equates to this pencil line here. So when we're unrolling our paper then, we need to bring the end to the end of the table. And then we need to mark it. We need to mark where the paper touches the end of this table here. That will be 70 inches. Okay, so this is measurement number 1. So the end of this table is 70 inches. Now what we need to do, let's pretend we have a full roll here. We then need to move the 70-inch mark up to the 26-inch mark. Okay. Now, this mark here is 26 inches from the end, so we know that if we mark the paper at the end of this table, we will have 70 plus another 26 inches. That will give us 96 inches, which is the length that we require, which will give us a sheet of lining paper which is 96 inches long. Job done.